This 2024 Entegra Coach Odyssey 31F is a Class C RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Entegra Coach Odyssey 31F is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.